Hello everyone. Today we are going to be adding a drive to this vault. As you can see, this does not have very much storage space to hold backup data. This vault is actually a continuation of a previous video that was done for the director install. And so now we just need to add in that drive. The first thing I'm going to do here is create the drive letter for this drive. Most likely in your environment, you've already got this completed. It is recommended to have this on a RAID, being that this is a environment that is for creating these videos. I'm not too much worried about that. Now you can see we've got that E drive created and ready to have vault data stored on it. Now there are two options here. We can actually jump into this drive and create a folder here saying, vault data, etc. But what I want to do is actually have the director software do that for us. So I'm going to open up the console here and select my vault. Now to add it to be able to be used by director, I need to go to storage management and then storage groups and locations. You can see here the C drive is listed for system data. I'm going to select the add location button here. And when I hit the drop down, it automatically gives me a folder structure that I can select. Now, if I had created a folder structure on the E drive, I would just take that full path and paste it into here instead of the automatically generated. The storage policy automatically selected as data. And now we've got the new storage location under this data storage policy. Let's take a look at that real quick. Under the data there, we see that it has no more used than 95% of disk space for the volume. And that is so that in the event of a full drive, we'll be able to have some working room to recover from a full drive. Director uses a small amount of space to create pool files when there is a need to consolidate pool files. And with that, this storage location will be in use after selecting OK. We can now see in this E drive that the folder got created as part of a vault process, and we'll have storage used here.